In the early April, I planted 6 Eucalyptus Azura for screening. This is a dwarfing eucalyptus, which in 2006 were discovered by accident by the Forestry Commission of the France government office. They found that all the eucalyptus, due to the frost, has died, and only one has survived, and that one was Azura. So they found that this is not good for timber. The research was about finding the best eucalyptus for the timber, but this was actually something useful for the home growers to grow as a hedge plant. It's evergreen. It has a lovely light green, blue-gray color. It has a nice smell. It doesn't grow very big, and at the same time it grows fast. And it can be used as a screening or hedge grow. So I planted 6 of these, and they're really grown now to around 3 meters in just one season. Early 2 seasons, I should say, summer and spring. Now I bought another 8 of this, and I'm going to plant them for another part of the garden, which I need a screening in that area. So I'm going to distance them 3 meters each between them, because they need in each side they grow by 1.8 meters. So one side 1.8 meter, the other side 1.8 meter. That means 3.5 meters they need, 3.6 meters they need. 3 meters is optimum distance for me. So I'm going to do this without leaving a gap, actually. That means. And this is the area I'm going to plant this. This beautiful scene is going actually to be lost because they are going to develop this plot of land. And so for creating privacy for ourselves, we have no other choice but growing something here. And I've chosen Azura for here. So one starts there, 3 meters away here, another 3 meters here. So I'm growing like that in a line. Let's see what happens. And that is north. North Star is that way when we look in the night. Okay, here we have 3 more Eucalyptus Azura trees. This is Eucalyptus Gunnii Azura, and with this I will have planted another 11. So 8 yesterday and these 3 today, and we have already 6 also. That makes it 17 trees. So this will be for the other side of the boundaries for screening. These ones have been in a pot for a while. They have missed to water them for a few days, probably during the bank holidays, most likely. Some of the leaves are a little bit damaged, dry, but that's the reason I got a discount. They were originally £50, so I got a discount for £33 each, and 3 of them £99, £100. Yeah. So that's how the information said. This is a patented tree, of course. We have it here in different languages. There's some damage to it. Hopefully they have told me that this is because of the drought, but we'll see. This one is the shortest one. This one is a bit bigger, and this one is the biggest. So not bad for that price. So I bring a secateur and just cut the dry parts, and then I'll go and plant them. So these are the eucalyptus trees I planted. 11 in total in this site. Every cane shows one of them. This is the one I bought cheaper because they had some damage due to the lack of watering in the pot when they were in the nursery. So hopefully that will do better now when I've cut the dead parts. Actually, it is the tallest one. Before that, this was the tallest. We'll see how they will do. So again, on this side, you can see every cane shows a Eucalyptus Azura. And I expect they grow up to here, the center of the image. And we will be using it as a hedge growth. Today is one of the hottest days in the summer, 26 degrees here. And we are going to water this also, just making sure they are well established. I gave them some 2 days ago, or yesterday I gave them nettle tea solution with the 10 liter of water. And again, these are the ones I planted 6 months ago in April. We are now in September and trying to catch up with the last bit of the sun to let them grow. This one is now probably around 3.2 to 3.5 meters. And I gave them 2 times one 10 liter watering can of the mixture of the nettle tea and the water, 2 cups full of the nettle tea in 10 liter of the water. As you can see, they're doing well. It boosted them, they're really grown after that. The leaf growth, especially they are good for leaf growth, the nettle tea. So hopefully before the onset of the winter and autumn, we are yet in the summer, it's September, early September, we do as much as possible grow from this lovely eucalyptus.